everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. Today I have a haul video for you and I'm really excited. This one is really cute. This one is Cowboys from Carta Bella, and this is my design team package for the month of July. So I'm really excited and I hope you guys are too, and I'm going to show you what I got in my package and then I'm going to get busy working on some projects. So like I said, received Carta Bella Cowboys, and this is a cute and fun collection that is really adorable. So I got several different things. I'm going to go through the frames and tags real quick with you and show you just a few of the things. I love the little guitars in here, the little tags here. There's all kinds of fun stuff in here. Ranch Life, that's adorable. The color scheme is really pretty. There's a saddle there. Way Out Yonder, that's cute. Little cowboy boot here. So really fun, Western themed, ranch themed collection that's really gonna be cute. Look at the cow, more cows. I love cows. There's the horse, giddy up. So there's a package of the frames and tags. There's a lot of different things in here. Love that. Cowboy country. Cute, 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 cute. And then there's a cowboy code here. Love it. So, howdy y'all. I say y'all all the time, so there you go. So this is the frames and tags. Now it goes with this beautiful paper collection. Let me show you this real quick. OMG, I love this floral paper. And look at the colors. The colors are really gorgeous. So again, this is Carta Bella Cowboys. I'll show you the back sides of these. I have one sheet of each of the papers, and they're just adorable. Look at all the cowboy boots. Super cute. Super cute. And I like the colors. This is great. And all the guitars. Love guitars, so yeah. There you go. Cute. Home on the Range. How many of you have sung that in your grade school? I hope they still have people do that. I think it's kind of a cool song. I always liked it. There's a park map. Grand Teton National Park. That's awesome. And the bandana on the back. Look at that. Really cute. Really cute. All the little different wall hangings on the wall. This reminds me of a restaurant that we have in a town close to me that we go to. And they have really eclectic wall hangings, kind of like this. Really cute. Like the red gingham too. And then there's the plaid. That's very nice. Very nice. And then the saddles on the back. And then there's a lot of different cut apart pages. So this one here has some different sizes you can see here. So you have some 3x4s, but you also have some different sizes too. And then you've got this telegram here, which is really cool. This 4x6 here, so I like that. The back of that is this really great wood theme. Love that. And then you have, there's a page of 4x6 cut aparts. Really cute. On the back of that, oh look, the night sky with the moon. Love it. Love it. Here's the 4x4 cut aparts. If it ain't country, it's not music. Like that. Very cute. And then on the back of this, another plaid. And then we have our 3x4 cut aparts. There's the colors are really cool. I love the colors. That's beautiful. Leather paper here. And then the stickers, the sticker that came with the collection, lots of different things, a couple border stickers. Very cute. Very, very cute. And then I got a couple of the coordinating cardstock. So the brown, the orange, and the kind of white cream. And then on the backs, the blue, brown, and red. So one sheet of each, the stickers, and then I got the frames and tags. So that is the paper collection. Then I did get the beautiful new satin ribbon that is brown on one side and gold on the other, and I think that's going to match perfectly, don't you? And then I got this beautiful kind of cream and black gingham ribbon to go with this. And then the other things that I got, so I I got some Shimmerz embellishments, and these are called Desert Sky, and there's little stars in there as well as little discs. So shaker is a common. I think that's going to be fun. I got the dimensional foam pads here. These are by Craft Perfect, and they're great for using with the acetate to create the shaker elements. So I'm going to do that. So then I also received the Craft Perfect by Tonic heavyweight acetate package. So I've got 5 sheets of that in here that I'm going to be able to play with as well. So we've got that. And then the other thing that I did receive was the Espresso Fresh Dye ink. So I'm going to, I think that color is going to be perfect. I'm going to play with that and see what I come up with. This is the Espresso color, so that'll be really good. So this is kind of a quick overview of what I got in my design team package. I have a couple ideas kind of worked out, so hopefully I'll get a tutorial out to you soon. Can't wait to start playing with this. Run to Country Craft Creations, and I'll have a list down below in the video description with all the links so you can get all these products for yourself. And I will be back soon to share with you what I'm going to create with this wonderful collection called Cowboys by Carta Bella. And again, this is a design team haul video for Country Craft Creations. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and stay crafty. Bye-bye.